everybody. Today's session is going to cover multiplication using the column method. Now I've drawn an arrow here just to remind you that you always work from right to left. It might be worth writing an arrow there just in case you get confused halfway through the sum, and then you'll remember you need to work right to left. Okay, let's start with 37 times by 4. Now you can write your times tables down the side if you want. It might be handy because it helps you get to know your times tables, and you will need to know them because you've got an exam coming up and it'll save you time. So 7 4s, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28. 8 down. Carry that 2, and I'm going to use a different pen just to remind me, and it's a nice bright colour, to remind me I need to use that in a minute with the next set of numbers. So when you've got 3 times 4 is 12, add the 2, 14. So 37 times by 4 equals 148. Let's try another one. 34 times by 3. And again, I'm going to write my 3 times tables down the side. Okay, so remember right to left. So 4 3s are 12, 2 down. Carry that one in a nice bright colour to remind you you need to use it. And then 3 3s are 9, add the 1, 10. Okay, let's try another one then. So that's your single figures. What we're going to do now is double figures. Okay, let's try 45 times by 26. So you're working with your 2s and your 6s now. So you can write them down. So let's start with our 6s. Okay, so there's our 6s, and we can write our 2s down. We don't need to. You should know your 2s. But if it helps you, write it down. Okay, so let's start with the 6s, starting from right to left. 6 times 5. So let's have a look. 5 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 30. Put the 0 down. Carry that 3 in your nice bright colour. Okay, and then 4 6s is 24. Add the 3, 27. Now I've finished with this number 6, so I'm going to cross it out. And that means you're moving across to the tens units. The minute you do that, you have to drop a 0. So try and remember, cross the number out, put the 0 down, they go together. If you forget the 0, sum's going to go wrong. And now I'm timesing by 2, so you might want to cross this out as well, not to confuse you. Okay, so 5 2s, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s are 10. Put the 0 down and carry that 1. I'm going to put it down here now, so it's out of the way of the 3. You can cross the 3 out if you want because you're finished with it as well. So I've done my 2 5s and moving to the left now. So 2 4s are 8, add the 1, 9. Okay, so that part, the times in, is finished, but you need to finish off by adding these two numbers up. So 0 0 is 0, 0 with 7 is 7, 9 with 2 is 11. So 45 times 26 is 1170. Let's try another one. 59 times by 43. So I'm working with my 3 and my 4 times tables. So let's write down the 3s first. and the 4s. Okay. Right, working from right to left then. 9 3s. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27. So you put the 7 down and you carry that 2. 5 3s then are 15. Add the 2, 17. Okay, remember we finished with a 3, put that 0 down. So 9 4s, we can see we have to go a bit further here. So 9 4s are 36, so we put the 6 down, and we've got to carry that 3. I'm going to carry it down here now to remind me I need to use it. And then we've got 5 4s, which is 20, add the 3, 23. So we've finished multiplying now. Now we need to add up. So 7 and 0 is 7, 7 and 6 is 13, 3 down, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5, add the 2. So 59 times by 43 equals 2,537. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to give you 2 sums to go through. I'll pause and you can have a go yourself, because the best way to learn for an exam is by testing yourself. I say it every time in class. Have a go yourself. So, (24) times by 33, and then 48 times by 25. Try them, and I'll give you the answer in a minute. Okay, so let's start with this one. We're dealing with our 3 times tables with both here, so we only need to write that once. Okay, just remember right to left. So 4 3s are 12. 2 down, carry that 1 in our nice bright colour. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Add the 1, 7. So now I finished with that 3, and I'm going to put a 0 down because we're times by 10s, remember. So 4 3s, again, 12. Carry that 1. And then you've got 3 2s, or 2 3s, which is 6, add the 1, 7. So this turns into an addition now. 2 plus 0 is 2, 7, 8, 9, add 7. So 24 times 33 is 792. Let's try this next one. So we're dealing with 5 times table shape. And 2 times tables. Okay, let's have a look then. So 8 times 5, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 40. So put the 0 down and carry that 4. Now you can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 all the way down if you want. I don't tend to do it because I feel it gets messy, but if it helps you, then carry on. Okay, so we've got 5 4s, which is 20, add the 4, 24. Yeah, Okay, so we finished that 5, drop a 0, 8 2s are 16, 6 down, carry that 1, remember the bright colours, and then 2 4s are 8, add the 1 and 9. So then we add these up, 4 and 6 is 10, carry the 1, 9, 10, then 12. So 48 times 25 is 1,200. I hope you found this helps. If you've got any questions at all, drop me a message or come and see me in class. Thank you.